I'm Charlotte, the punch of this area. Now in Uttodda. Now this area is at the tail end of the Salauli water network, okay, water supply. And for all these years, for decades now, the excuse that PWD is giving is that because we are at the tail end, that there is no water supply, no water pressure over here. So, but that is not an answer because the people are suffering all these years. People are suffering, and so much so that sometimes it is so difficult even to fill a bucket of water. The people have complained all these years. People have complained. Even now we have complained, but PWD has not looked into it. We have even given a petition to PWD, not answered. We submitted a petition also to the CM, still not answered. Finally, then we had to take the help of Herald, and Herald tried to highlight in a very big way. That's when the Human Rights Commission took it up so moto and passed a very favorable order. And they said that within 60 days, that PWD should ensure that there is water supply in the area. Now 60 days are already going to be up. Still the water issue is still the same. The grievances of the people remain the same. No water, and so I do not know what PWD is doing. It's very shameful on part of PWD to be so irresponsible and so insensitive to the needs of the people. And also when an order has been passed by human rights, not to comply with the order. And even more shameful is the local MLA. He has, being an elected representative, he is just sitting there doing nothing and has the audacity to say that, the issue of this people is just a tiyat. So I just hope that Human Rights Commission will seriously, once again look into this matter and try to help the people over here and make sure that, that PWD complies with the order.
I think tomorrow is the date. Last
13th May is the last
date.
Yeah, so we are just hoping something happens, and we've already put a reminder letter, another petition to Human Rights Commission.
How is that, madam? Some houses have water pressure today.
I don't know. That is what, whenever we put a complaint, we always have noticed it that immediately the next day there is good water pressure. So you cannot say that it
So
is
after
at a
some
tail
days,
end.
this pressure also will
Yes,
go.
it is only for 1 or 2 days. Situation comes back again to the normal situation where there is no water.
Have you all approached to the PWD besides giving the petition?
Continuous calls. We have been giving them continuously calls. People have been calling them, but still not looked into.
Okay.
So I hope at least now they will, try to comply with the order and do something, mitigate the problem of the people here.